In the sacred town of Puri in Odisha lies a kitchen of monumental proportions. Every single day, the Jagannath temple kitchen prepares thousands of meals to feed the devotees. In Puri Jagannath Dham, the Mahaprasad is shared by everyone without discrimination. Devotees of all backgrounds and societal statuses eat the prasad together, and also, despite being located in the humid coastal climate of Odisha, the cooked Mahaprasad is known for never going stale or losing its divine taste, a phenomenon which is widely revered by devotees as the grace of Lord Jagannath. But this is not just any kitchen. It is a place where modern science seems to turn completely upside down. The food, known as Mahaprasad, is cooked using a unique centuries-old method where 7 clay pots are stacked directly on top of each other over a single wood fire. According to the laws of thermodynamics, the bottommost pot closest to the fire should cook first. But here, the exact opposite happens. The contents of the topmost pot always cooks first, followed by the second, working its way down to the bottom. It's a phenomenon that continues to mystify modern scientists and engineers. While the phenomenon is considered a profound mystery and a divine miracle by devotees, scientists suggest it can be explained by traditional thermodynamic engineering and steam circulation. Heat and steam from the bottom pot rise and circulate in a way that transfers intense heat to the upper vessels, which dictates the cooking sequence in this kitchen. But the defiance of physics in Puri's Jagannath Dham temple does not stop with the cooking process. The daily crowd at the temple fluctuates wildly, ranging from 20,000 people on a regular day to over 1 million during festivals. Yet, the exact same quantity of food is prepared every single day. The miracle? The food never falls short, no matter how massive the crowd grows. And equally baffling, not a single grain of rice is ever wasted or left over when the temple gates are closed at night. It's a perfect divine balance achieved without any modern data or forecasting. Is it an undiscovered anomaly of thermal engineering or a testament of pure divine intervention? At the Puri Jagannath temple, the line between science and faith doesn't just blur, it completely vanishes. For more such interesting stories on the mysteries of Puri Jagannath Dham Mandir, stay tuned to the CSR Journal.